Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the lesson media and the second lesson, next lesson, market around us. At first we are going to discuss about media. What is media? Everything around us which we use for communication, by which we transfer our information to each other, they all means of communication are known as media. And then print media, we use printed material like newspaper, magazine. These are things we use printing press, printing machine to print our messages, to print our information. Then it is transferred to other people, and it is known as print media. The next is mass media. When we communicate to large people by using any media like radio, TV, newspaper, when the information reaches to large people, it is known as mass media. And the next is independent media. Many countries are there where there is a pressure of government on the media. Media can provide only those information which the government tells. They do not allow the media to work freely. There is a force of government to publish only those things which are allowed by the government. In this way, media follow the government. They do not work independently. And in many countries, there are media which work freely, and they can publish according to their view which they want, and they are known as independent media. The next is censorship. Many government, they put the barrier to publishing the report. Many report, they put censorship. They do not allow them to publish them. It is known as censorship. Next topic which we are going to discuss in media, it is about setting of agenda. How they set agenda, that which type of information should be given to the people, and how to motivate the people about any incident. They at first discuss on the subject and the important topics. It may be of politics, it may be of economic activity, or it may belong to society. Many agendas are there. They focus on some point, and then they saw with explanation about happening in the society in the country, in the states, or all over the world, which type of incidents are going on, what is the condition of world, what is the condition of our country. They take any certain subject, then they show that all with explanation. Now next we are going to discuss about market around us. Market is a place where we or any person can purchase the things and people can sell their things. It may be in our locality, it may be in our district, or trade may occur between villages, between district, between states, and also between the country of the world. Market is a place where we purchase or sell the things, and it is of different type. Different type of markets are there around us. At first, we are going to discuss from the village area, which is known as weekly market. Number one is weekly market. Weekly market are held in certain village area where mostly rural area people, they purchase things from the seller, and mostly seller who sell their goods in that area, they are farmer, and things are sold in open market. Openly they sell their things, and more bargaining take place in that area, and people can purchase the vegetable, the grains from that area very cheaply. Why the things are cheap in weekly market? Because in that area there is no labor cost. In urban area we purchase from the shop, and in that shop things are kept properly, and labor also stay there to help the shopkeeper. But in weekly market, the people sell their goods their own, they bring their goods their own from their houses and they sell there. That is why the cost of things which they sell remain very cheap. Then next one is neighborhood shops. Neighborhood shops are shops which are in our neighborhood, and we can purchase the things from our neighborhood, and the shopkeeper always recognize us. They can provide services on our credit also, and we can take the things on credit from the shopkeeper because they know about us, and any time we can pay, and it is very easy to us when in our neighborhood any shop remain. It helps us to purchase things easily without wasting time for going far places. And then next one is shopping complex. Many shopping complexes are there in urban area where branded goods are sold and their prices are high because many labor work in shopping complex and different type of branded goods are sold. And they take the rent, they include their rent, the labor cost, everything in the material which they sell in shopping complex. And mostly the rich people go there and the poor people do not go inside because the material which are sold in shopping complex, they remain very expensive. That is why the people, they purchase the things from local area. The poor people, they purchase the things from local area, and the rich person mostly go to the shopping complex where different type of shops remain inside the shopping complex. They can purchase everything from the shopping complex. Then the chain of market. What is chain of market? Different type of things are sold in the market and they are manufactured, they are produced in different part of our country or different part of the world. The manufacturer, they manufacture in large quantity. The things which are manufactured in large quantity, they are sold to wholesaler at first. Here wholesaler purchases the thing in a lot. Then the retailer shop purchase from the wholesaler and then the retailer sells to the consumer. This is known as the chain of market, from manufacturing to the consumer, the reaching to the consumer, the things reaches to the consumer. This is known as chain of market.